Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. In this video we will understand that how one can use correlation while trading, or how Flash Trade 1 uses or generates their signals based on correlation. Okay, so here this is a Flash Trade 1 indicator where you can check the correlationship between two pairs. We have seen that when Euro USD falls down, then at that time GBP USD also falls down. Okay, so here both the pairs move in same direction. Okay, so it means that the Euro USD and GBP USD has positive correlationship between each other. So when there is positive correlationship between any two pairs, then both the pairs will move in one direction. When there is negative correlationship between two pairs, then both the pairs will move in opposite direction. As you can see that this is the Euro USD, and again there is a GBP USD. So here it is Euro USD. Let me zoom it out to understand better. As you can see that this is the GBP USD, this is Euro USD, and there is correlation of positive plus 94 in this. Higher the number, the more correlationship or the strongness of the correlationship will be higher. Lower the correlationship number, then lesser will be the correlation between these two pairs. Just an example, this is GBP USD and here OD USD. Their correlationship is 76. It means that compared to GBP and Euro USD, OD USD and GBP USD has lesser correlationship. In the same way, negative correlationship means both the pairs will move in opposite direction. Okay, so more negative the correlationship number, the more strongness will be there in the pair. Just an example, we'll see NZD USD and OD USD. NZD USD, let me zoom it out once again. Check that this is OD USD, this is NZD USD, okay, and OD USD. It has plus 82 correlationship between each other. Means when OD USD will go up, NZD USD will also go up. When OD USD will go down, NZD USD will also go down. Let's just see this by example. As you can see that OD USD is with orange color, NZD USD is with yellow color. You can check here that almost they are moving in same direction. At every step their moving direction is same. It little bit changed it here, but majority both are moving in same direction. Okay, so this data proves right that OD USD and NZD USD has positive correlationship. In the same way, let's check OD USD and USD CAD. This is USD CAD. You can check that this is USD CAD, and against that we are checking OD USD. Means minus 53. Minus 53 means you can check that both will move in opposite direction. Means if USD CAD is going up, then OD USD will be definitely going down. You can check that USD CAD is with blue and AUD USD with orange. You can check that whenever AUD USD is coming down, here you can check that it's coming down, at that time USD CAD is going up. Whenever it is going up, then USD CAD will have a negative fall. So this is how this correlation matrix works. So one can understand that when they need to buy and trade, if they are buying USD CAD at that time, they need to buy AUD USD, or they need to buy sell USD CAD. Okay, so this is actually how this matrix works. Here I can add the pairs also from using this. Okay, I can choose the time frame, I can choose the bars, and then decide if I want to trade with 100 bars, then it will give me the data accordingly. But mind will see the Euro USD and GBP USD has still positive correlationship. So based on bar, the data will change. This is how this indicator work. If you have any query regarding this indicator, then you can just ask us now. Have a good day, have a happy trading. Goodbye.